Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the app and adding the HTTP client you will use. This is where you commit to an approach. Once done, add HTTP or DO plus state management like provider and make a central API client with a base URL constant. Configure Android manifest and info. List network permissions and test a simple get from main. Dart. This establishes the plumbing. You will reuse it for auth, retries, and JSON parsing, so make it clean and injectable now. You now implement concrete calls and parsing. Start by creating model classes and mapping functions so parsing is deterministic. Then build API client methods for get, post, put, delete that include headers, timeout, and centralized error mapping. Once complete, wrap calls in a repository to abstract endpoints and inject it into your provider or Riverpod state notifier. Make sure to handle loading and cache states to avoid flicker and duplicate network requests when navigating screens. Finish by adding authentication flows and resilient behavior. Store tokens securely, attach them via an interceptor, and implement token refresh logic to avoid expired sessions. Then write unit and integration tests that mock HTTP responses so you can validate parsing and error handling. Finally, instrument logging and crash reporting and verify release network configuration. If a request fails, first check base URL, headers, and cores/network permissions. Inspect interceptor logs and replay the raw request to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.